Ni hao, I am Marjorie Dumlao, 34 years old from Philippines. I have a live-in partner and have 2 kids, a girl and a boy. I took up hospitality industry management, and housekeeping and cooking is our major subject, a 4 years course. I work as domestic helper in Qatar for 2 years, finished contract. I work there as a housekeeper. My madam have 5 children, 4 boys who are old enough and working, while they have 1 daughter who is 9 years old. I am the one who is taking care of their only daughter, teaching her in her homework, and go play with her wherever they will go to the mall or whenever she will stay at home. I sit and play with her. I clean the whole house, 6 rooms up and down, 4 bathrooms, and wide living area. While my companion, an Indonesian, is the one who is preparing their food, and because our madam is kind, she always teach me how to make some sweets and juices if ever there are parties in their house. She is always happy because she can see that I am willing to learn and a fast learner. And now I want to try to work overseas again. I hope you will choose me to take care and cook for you and for your children. I am much willing to learn and have a long patience because I have children who is 3 years old and 6 years old that I love too. So if ever you choose me, I will take care and love your child as my own. Whatever work may assign to me, I will see to it that I'm doing it all the best I can. And don't worry of my cooking skills because I am capable enough and willing to learn. Because cooking is one of my favorite hobbies. Thank you.